Woman. We've got these bags and suitcases. Steward. Suitcases are going on the plane. So there's the gap. If you can remember, suitcase is an individual item, therefore it's countable. So we use how many suitcases are going on the plane. Woman, 3. Steward and passengers are travelling. So again, passengers, we can count them. Countable nouns use how many. Steward and how many passengers are travelling. Woman, 4. Woman again. Time have we got left before the plane leaves? Time. We can count minutes and we can count hours. But time is a whole thing. We can't count time, so it's uncountable. So we say, how much time have we got left before the plane leaves? Steward, 1 hour. Have a good holiday. So there's how to use how much and how many. Now, let's try another activity. This time, let's choose from much, many, lots of, or any. So, number 1, look at the picture. A woman has some luggage, but just a small amount. So, what's the sentence that we can make? Let's have a look. She hasn't got much luggage. She hasn't got much luggage. She's got some, but not lots of. She hasn't got much. Number 2. Food. Lots of, much, many, or any. What can we say? Let's have a look. They've got lots of food. They've got lots of food. Okay, so lots of can be used with countable and uncountable. Food as a whole is uncountable. Time. As we said before, it's uncountable, but in the picture, the man is relaxing. So, what do we think? Let's have a look. He's got lots of time. He's got lots of time. The last one is money. So it's uncountable. We can see empty pockets. So what's the sentence we can make about this picture? Let's see. He hasn't got any money. He hasn't got any money. Okay, so again, any can be used with both countable and non-countable. Okay, now let's try an exercise on the board. Choose whether to write much or many. Number 1. So much or many? It's a question. Time. There's the noun. are you at school every day? Okay, so much or many, it's a question and here's the noun. Have a think. Number 2. How much or many pencils are in your pencil case? Okay, so again a question. Here's the noun. Number 3. How much or many books do you have? Okay. Here's the noun. Have a think whether it's much or many. And number 4. How much or many money do you have? How much or many money do you have? Okay, so let's have a look through together. Number 1. Our noun is time. And as we said before, time is uncountable. And for uncountable nouns, we use much. How much time are you at school every day? Number 2. Pencils. So you can see that it's been pluralized with an S. Pencils are individual things. We can count them. Countable. For countable nouns, we use many. How many pencils are in your pencil case? Number 3. Books. The same as pencils. We can count them. We can put an S on the end. Countable, many. How many books do you have? And number 4, our noun is money. Money. Uncountable, so we use much. How much money do you have? So there's how to use much and many when using questions. But how about some and any? Let's have a look. We use any for questions and negative sentences. We use some for positive sentences. Have you got any newspapers? We haven't got any newspapers, but we have got some magazines. So any, questions and negative, some, positive. Okay, let's move on to some phonics. Now let's look at some phonics. And today we're going to look at ed as a word ending. Ed at the end of a word. Many words end in ed, but it actually makes 3 different sounds. The first one is ed says T. So it makes a T sound at the end of a word. Second one is ed says id. Id. And the last one is ed says